Hey guys, this is Dylan again with Jowers Technology Solutions. Just wanted to show y'all something I came across on Thingiverse, where I have this ceiling box in the ceiling, and for those that don't know, if you have a AC Pro Lite, I think it is, AP from Ubiquiti, then those mounts are too small to go in there. So I found this little mount and I 3D printed it for the receptacle. So basically we have a faceplate right there covering the receptacle box, and then I put that on there, and I'm about to stick the AP mount itself, and I will continue with that. Hey guys, continue with that. I just put the actual mount for the AP on there, so as you can see, it fits up there relatively well. I'm about to stick the AP on there, and it's hard to do this. I'm standing on a ladder, so I can only have, I need both hands, so that's why I'm not recording the whole thing. Alright guys, that is the final product. It is not plugged in yet, but as you can see, that's the way it fits in the ceiling, and there's a slight little gap right there. I don't like that happening, but sometimes it does. But anyway, this is what it looks like whenever it's fully installed with that particular little extension bracket. So I hope y'all liked it, and thank y'all.